Well, hey guys, thanks for tuning back on today's episode. Well, today I'm going to be showing you guys my Garmin Dash Cam 47 series. Okay, so we're going to get into this, guys, but before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe for more content, guys. Okay, here we go. So this is the Garmin 47 series Dash Cam. This Dash Cam, it's super small, guys, but it's good because it is perfect for your dash. So what it comes with, guys, it comes with a camera here. It comes with charging cables. As we know, we need charging cables to plug it in and start it up. It comes with this mount here. So first of all, I want to show you guys this one here. This is a SIM card. I'm gonna show you how to put that SIM card in after. We got a mount here, and there's a magnet too. So this is how it goes, guys. You have to be very careful with all of these things here not to lose them. So this is the magnet, right? The magnet goes right in there. For now, this magnet is not connected to it because it's not mounted yet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna carefully take out this sticker piece, and you're gonna unstick one side. So peel this side off and then stick your magnet on. And this really, you guys have to be very careful because you only get one shot. So you're gonna bring it on like this and match it very closely to the hexagon shape. So you see there's one corner there, one corner. It actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, so it's a hexagon. So there you go. After that, you're gonna hold off, leave that aside. You're gonna put this one slightly on top like usual, guys. So you're just gonna push that in very gentle, guys. So once you push that in, very gentle. You guys don't want to break it, I'll tell you. You're gonna push that in. So once you push that in, I'm not gonna do it right now, but you're gonna push that in, okay? So very gentle. And then you're gonna peel off this side, and then you're gonna put it on your inside here, and then you're gonna try to place like where you want your Garmin camera to be. For now, that's another video, but I'll show you how it goes. So in the back here, this is where we put in the little SIM card kind of storage. So this one is 32 gigabytes, so it's the gigabytes. This is what holds like all of the footage, guys. So let me just look here and see. So you're gonna want to put it in like that, okay? So you're gonna pop it in. I'll show you again. So you're holding your camera. Say you're holding it, so you're gonna point it towards you like this, right, with it up. You're gonna rotate it like that, so the camera's pointing out that way, the backwards. And you're gonna put the SIM card like this. So you're gonna have the front footage, 32 gigabytes facing you, and that little shark bite right there, and you're gonna pop it in very slightly, like that, okay? So there we go, and you click it, you hear that click, you're good. So there we go, we put the SIM in. Now the next thing, guys, is the cable. So a lot of people are saying that this is the tricky part, what cable goes into it. So to be honest, guys, it is pretty tricky because computers and all this stuff, there's just so much wires out there. Some people say you gotta open up something to put this in, but it's actually over on this side. So it's this little side. So this is a little charging port. I'm gonna pop that in, and you guys need to make sure it's lined up correctly. So it has that little house kind of like roof. You're gonna look here and see. So where's that roof? That roof is that way, the flat. So the flat goes on the bottom, the top goes there, and you're gonna push that in. Perfect. Now this is gonna go in your cigarette lighter. So you're gonna have a USB like extension, and you're gonna plug that in. So I'm just gonna plug that in. So I'll plug it in, guys. Okay, let's see. There we go. So I plugged it in currently. And it's gonna power up. It's gonna say Garmin. After that, you're gonna probably have to set it up, guys. So this is where it takes some time, guys. So you're gonna tell it where you live, you know, United States, you can click that. If you live in Canada, you're gonna click that. You're gonna just keep going like through, okay? So we're gonna click United States. So there we go. You're gonna click the bottom button there, and it's gonna load. And it says, do not attempt to adjust this device while driving. The forward collision warning system and lane departure warning system are intended to drive are driving aids and are only aids, so agree, okay? And then you want center, guys. You want the car, normal, recording, audio. Do you want audio, yes or no? We'll just turn that off for now. And the Garmin Drive app makes it easier to view and share videos from the secure online vault. Okay, so then we're at this point, guys. This point is where we gotta scan our screen here with our iPhone, our device, and set it up on the app. It's pretty simple. You just gotta link it up. That's kind of like the hardest part, I would say, but if you follow the steps, it should be good, guys. Don't worry. Like, I believe in you guys. You guys can do that. And yeah, that's pretty much all to it, guys. So yeah, if you guys are getting a Garmin, I would recommend the Garmin 47 series. This is a really good device. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in on this video today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and take care. Have a great day. Take care.